Hello?
Oh,
I'm phoning about the Punto you got an auto trader.
oh, sorry, yes.
I'm actually here, we're phoning from customs. We're doing a check on every car, van that's in the paper this week.
Uh-huh.
We're looking for traces of agricultural fuel.
Alright.
Red diesel, commonly known as cherry.
You've lost me here.
I've lost you.
Alright.
You right here. What were, you know, diesels can run on agricultural fuel known as red diesel.
Yes.
Would you be willing to
Sample.
put your car forward for a sample? Or?
You're in sample.
Alright. Where am I? My car's a petrol car.
What the fuck?
It's a Punto diesel you've got in the paper.
Yeah, you're hiding something.
Oh, but you're trying to hide something there.
We will have to be at your door.
What? Alright.
A Punto diesel?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a Punto diesel.
Yes, that's right, yes.
So it is a diesel. He told me it was a petrol car.
No, that's my husband's getting mixed up. It's actually my son-in-law's car.
Okay.
Punto is diesel.
Well, we're here from customs and excise. We're conducting a search on every car that's for sale within the Scotland Central Belt at the moment.
Uh-huh.
There's been a lot of red diesel being sold for use on public highways.
Right.
You heard. And we wonder if you would volunteer for a sample, otherwise we could of course get a warrant. Get your pants. Well, when would it be possible to get a look at it?
If you just hold on, I'll just give you his mobile number if you want to phone him, because I've been at all these days just
Get it here. I'll get it a phone box. I'll let you speak to my supervisor at the moment, please.
Right.
Hello, this is Bill Watson here from Customers Excise. Yes, there seems to be a problem with some red diesel spillage in your car.
No.
Is your husband providing you with answers in the background there?
I don't know what you're even talking about.
We're actually working in Customs Excise department here. There seems to be a problem with red diesel. It's basically flooding the country at the moment.
Well, I can assure you didn't get into that car.
We got a call regarding this Fiat Punto. Is that a P-registered car? Yes.
P-registered, uh-huh.
Yes, we've had some calls regarding it about the red diesel.
I don't know where you get that.
A young lad flying about 100 miles an hour, going over the speed bumps, kicking the arse out of the car basically. One of the wheel trims almost hit a seagull down the prom.
Uh-huh.
It's about to take my fucking head off actually, I was shitting myself.
Uh-huh.
So we're just fucking trying to sort this out calmly and professionally as we can.
I can see your language, uh-huh.
Yeah. So if we could just get it down to the garage, just to like fucking take it to pieces and get this red diesel sorted out. Is there a problem with that, Mrs. Ward?
Yes, there's a problem with your language for starters.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I think they've actually hung up. We'll have to go out their door.
No, I think there's a problem with the language, and I think if we get on to police...
Get on the police. The name on that, is that Rough Elf? No.